Hi everyone. Welcome back to Brother English. I'm Jamie.
And I'm Alex. In the last episode, we learned how to ask for help politely.
Today, we're going to talk about something very useful. Talking about your day.
This is one of the most common conversations in English.
Friends ask you. Colleagues ask you. Even family asks you.
First, let's listen to a natural conversation between two friends talking about their day. Just listen and imagine the situation. Hey Jamie, how was your day?
It was pretty good. How about yours?
Not bad. I was a little busy this morning.
Oh, really? What happened?
I had 2 meetings and finished a report.
Wow, that sounds productive.
Yeah, but I'm tired now.
I understand. I felt tired too after lunch. That conversation sounded simple and natural. Now, let's break it down step by step. Let's start with this question. How was your day?
This question uses the past tense because the day already happened.
Some simple answers you can use. It was good. It was busy. It was tiring. It was great.
Notice the structure. It plus was plus adjective. Now that you understand the structure, let's practice saying these sentences slowly. It was good.
It was busy.
I was tired.
Great. When you talk about your day, you often use was and were. But talking about your day is more than just saying it was good. Let's learn how to add more details. You can add details like this. It was busy because I had many meetings.
Or, it was great because I finished my work early.
The word because helps you explain your day.
This makes your conversation more interesting.
Now let's listen to a second dialogue with more details. Hi Alex, how was your day?
It was good, but a little stressful.
Why was it stressful?
Because I had a deadline today.
Did you finish your work?
Yes, I did. I felt relieved after that.
That's great. What are you going to do tonight?
I'm going to relax and watch a movie. Did you notice? We talked about the past and also about tonight. Now it's your turn to practice.
Imagine someone asks you, how was your day?
Answer with this pattern. It was because.
Example. It was good because I learned something new.
Now say what you are going to do tonight. Tonight I'm going to.
Excellent. You are building real conversation skills. Before we finish, let's review what you learned today.
Today you learned how to talk about your day.
You practiced past tense with was and were.
And you learned how to add details using because.
Remember, polite English opens doors. Practice daily, speak confidently. See you in the next episode of Brother English.